Looking after your petrol engine is actually going to be the fastest wearing, highest maintenance aspect of this machine. Your key things are your oil. We looked earlier in another video at how to check the oil level and how to top up the oil. Your air filter, to change your air filter you just remove that wing nut, and there's another wing nut, and off comes your air filter. Air filter should also be changed after 50 hours of use, more often if you're in a very dusty environment. You can also wash this in petrol. Instead of having to replace it, you can just give it a wash. That's an option, but it has to be replaced at some point. So if you change your oil and your air filter regularly, 50 hours of use, your engine will last much longer. The other thing that you want to do from time to time is have a look at your spark plug. To change the spark plug, just remove the spark plug cable, put the plug spanner on it, off comes your spark plug. After quite a lot of use, the spark plug gets coked up, gets carbonized. So you take a little wire brush, you brush that off, and then you have a little tool to check the gap. Measure the gap. It should be about 0.7 mils in the spark plug, and you can adjust the gap, clean it, adjust the gap, put it back. So do that every 100 hours or so. After longer use, you might have to take the engine to a mechanic to open and take off the cylinder head and decoke it a bit. If your ignition is not working, you might find that there's a short on one of the wires on the ignition, so you just have to look at those wires. If the plastic has been damaged and you're shorting a wire, then the ignition won't work. But those are the basics, and if you've got anything more complicated, just find a mechanic who's familiar with these engines to help you.